I'd like to share a little of the story that brings us all here today. Today's story isn't a fairy tale about the perfection of love or how two people met and instantly knew they were right for each other. It's about two imperfect people who found each other in the midst of life's craziness and realized that they could build something quite lovely together.
The thing I admire most about Kayla has always been her faithfulness. She has faith in God. She is faithful in her pursuit to live a purposeful life. She is faithful to those she holds dear, and she is faithful to herself. From the beginning of her relationship with Spencer, she placed her faith in them, and you guys, and y'all. And that faith carried her all the way to Los Angeles to begin a new career and a new relationship with Spencer. You too. You look great.
I can't tell you how much we appreciate everybody being here. And last but not least, I'm the luckiest one. I lose a daughter, but I gain a great son-in-law.
Today, I promise freely and without reservation to respect and cherish you as an individual, an equal, and a collaborator.
To build a home with you that fosters our growth and cultivates love, learning, compassion, silliness, generosity, and honesty.
To be your partner, your friend, and your beloved in all of life's adventures. To stand by your side and to sleep in your arms, for better or worse, in sickness and health, for richer or poor.
What I possess in this world, I give to you. What I love in this world, I will share with you. Together, let us bear whatever trouble and sorrow life may lay upon us, and let us celebrate whatever good and joyful things life may bring us.
Let us grow emotionally, ethically, spiritually, and intellectually as we grow old together. Loving what I know of you and trusting what I do not yet know, I give you my hand. I give you my love. I give you myself.
By the power vested in me by the state of Texas, by the power of your own love and commitment, it is with great joy that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations, you may kiss.